Amphenol introduces the OCP ORv3 AC input connectors and cable assemblies, aligning with Open Compute Project's V3 Universal Power Distribution standards. Designed for convenience, these components facilitate direct power routing from the busway to the V3 rack's power shelf. Notable features include a 7-pin design, 16 AWG to 8 AWG wiring options, and low-profile overmolded strain relief options. The connectors boast high-conductivity copper alloy contacts, providing reliable electrical connections. With versatile design options, touch-safe features, and adherence to diverse voltage and current ratings, these connectors offer both flexibility and enhanced safety for applications within restricted rack spaces. With customized sequencing options addressing specific application needs, along with a broad operating temperature range of -40°C to 105°C, these connectors provide a combination of safety, customization, and reliability. Additionally, the connectors are RoHS compliant and hold approvals and certifications from UL, CNR, CSA, and TUV. Amphenol OCP ORv3 AC input connectors and cable assemblies find application in 1U power supplies or power distribution systems, hyperscale computing architectures, and industrial energy storage. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.